How to create a PicsArt account? First of all, launch your PicsArt application on the device. You need to wait for a while until you get access to the welcome screen of PicsArt. Once you are here, you can create an account with the help of your email, or you can also connect with Google and Facebook and then easily create an account. If you don't wish to create account as well, you can select the escape button at top right corner of the screen. For now, let's tap create an account button. Enter your email address on the box below. Now tap the next button. You have to enter a secure password using the following rules and regulation. Now tap the next button and you need to pick a username for your PicsArt account and tap complete button. Once you complete all the informations and the steps, select the cross if you don't want to use the 7-day free trial. Here you need to select your interest like fun or artistic, on business, side hustle, hobby, many more, and tap on the next button, or you can also skip this part. So here you can easily select what are you going to create and then tap on the next button. You can also choose the theme you are interested in and tap the next button. Here you can also select your comfort level and tap the finish button. With this, you can allow PicsArt to access photos and videos and tap continue and your account has been successfully created on PicsArt. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.